Welcome to the CLL Advocates Network Clinical Trials Hub. My name is Johannes Förner, and I'm a member of the steering committee of the CLL Advocates Network. The Clinical Trials Hub has been developed with the objective to take complexity out of finding clinical trials. It consolidates 30 different databases from a variety of countries. Search results give an overview of available clinical trials with a short description, recruitment status, as well as inclusion and exclusion criteria. If more details are needed, each result is linked to the source database where all information about the respective clinical trial can be accessed. This includes locations, contact information, and much more. It is meant to be a tool for patients, patient organizations, as well as healthcare providers to get a quick overview about available clinical trials matching the respective search criteria. It is not a substitute for medical consultation between patient and healthcare provider. Although the user interface is simple, I'd like to show you how to use the search based on a few examples. This is the main page of the CLL Clinical Trials Hub. It consists of two sections. The first section is a section which allows you to retrieve information about various topics. For example, what are clinical trials? Why consider a clinical trial? Eligibility and enrollment, and so on and so forth. When you click a button, further information will be displayed down below. The second section is the search mask. This screen consists of a text box that allows you to enter free text. It consists of an advanced search facility, which allows you to narrow down your search. The next item is a checkbox. If you check this one, you will only get the trials that are open for recruitment. Then there's a list of countries. You can either select none, then the search will be applied to all countries, or you select one or multiple countries. And the last box is a trial phase box, which allows you to either select none, then all phases will be considered, or select phase 1 through 4. I'm going to demonstrate the search now using a couple of examples. First, I want to search all the trials where the medication venetoclax is being used. I enter venetoclax and hit the search button. And it will come with 360 results in total, as you can see on top of the screen. Each result is displayed in its own box. I'm going to use the second result now to explain to you what the information is displayed in a box. Here's the trial ID, where the trial can be identified in any trials database. This is the date when the last update was done to our database. The title of the trial, the phase the trial is about, whether or not the trial is open for recruitment, who the sponsor is, the list of countries where the trial runs in, then inclusion criteria and exclusion criteria. You see two fields here which you can click, which are displayed Show More. If you click on Show More, you will get all the inclusion criteria in this example. And if you click this one, you'll get all the exclusion criteria. You can hide the criteria again, then the fields are collapsed. If you want to display the full trial, you can click this button, and the button code to full trial forwards you on to the source database where the clinical trial resides, where you can get all information, including trial location, contact names, disease specifics, and a lot more information about the specific trial you found in the results box. I'm going to clear this search now and show you another example. I'm going to use advanced search, untick all these boxes, and only select the inclusion criteria because one of my fellow patients has a specific mutation by the name of TP53. So I want to search for all the trials where the inclusion criteria is the mutation TP53, and I want to find the trials which are active in Canada and say the United Kingdom. I select these two countries, hit the search button again, and it gives me 31 results. I think these two examples showed you how powerful the search is in the CLL Clinical Trials Hub. And I wish you the best of success searching for clinical trials in your location and finding the right ones.